Open Photoshop and write the text you want. You can increase the size and color of the text according to your need. Now select Polygon Lasso tool and make a selection around the text like this. Click on Mask and duplicate that mask layer by clicking Ctrl+J. Select first layer of the mask and press Ctrl+I. Now drag the lower split text slightly to right side. Create an empty layer. Press and hold Ctrl button and click on the layer mask. Select Brush tool. Adjust the opacity according to your need. Do like this. Press Ctrl+D button to deselect.